Hello, I'm Patty Simpson with Simpson Math. In this video, we're going to look at the expected value for an insurance company and their life insurance policies. So remember that the expected value is just a weighted mean. So on average, how much does the insurance company make off of each of its customers? So here we have an insurance company offers Texas adults between the ages of 25 and 35 a $100,000 life insurance policy. For $300 a year. The yearly death rate for Texas adults between the ages of 25 and 35 is $250 per 100,000 residents. We want to know what's the expected value per customer, or what's the average amount that they're going to make off of each customer for the insurance company at the end of 1 year. And if the insurance company has 10,000 customers, what's the expected profit? So when we're finding expected value, the first thing we want to do is look for the possible outcomes. In this case, if I buy a policy, the two things that can happen are I can live or I can die. So those are the outcomes there. I can live or I can die. Now we want to quantify those outcomes. In other words, what quantity is associated with living? And that quantity is going to be my random variable. So in this case, if I live, I am paying the insurance company $300, or the insurance company is going to make $300 off of me. However, if I die, the insurance company is going to pay my family $100,000. So they lose $100,000. Those are my random variables. Now I need to find the probability of each of those outcomes. So we find the probability of each of those outcomes. It tells us within the problem that 250 out of 100,000 residents die. So we know that the probability someone dies is 250 out of 100,000. That means that the complement of that is going to be the probability that someone lives. So the probability that someone lives is 100,000 minus the 250, which gives me 99,750 out of the 100,000. So now that I have my probability distribution written, now all I do is take my random variable and multiply it times the probability of the outcome. I do that for each one of them. So I'm going to take 300 times that 99,750 over 100,000. And I'm going to take the negative 100,000 and multiply it times the probability that someone dies. And I'm going to add those two values together. So that's how we find the expected value. It's just this weighted mean where we take the amount times the probability, each one of those, and then add those values together. So now we just do a little math, and this outcome, this is 29,925,000 out of 100,000 is that 300 times 99,750. Here, well, a positive and a negative makes a negative. Let's just write the negative. Then I'm going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 25 million there out of 100,000. I just subtract and I end up with 4,925,000 over 100,000. Or do the division, boom, boom, divide by 100. Each customer, the insurance company is making $49.25 off of. So on average, they may have to pay out some, they may make some, but on average, they're making $49.25 off of each of their customers. Now, that answers my part A. Part B, if they sell it to 10,000 customers, how much money are they going to make? Well, we take the $49.25 that they make off of each customer, multiply that times the 10,000 customers that they have, and they're going to end up with $492,500. So off of each, on average, they're going to make $49.25 off of each customer, and then we just take that amount and multiply by the number of customers they have, and they can find out what they expect their profits to be at the end of the year. From that, they can decide, are they charging enough money? Are they, if their profits aren't enough, maybe they raise their price a little bit. Or if they're making way too much and they, want more people to sign up or something, maybe they lower the price a little bit. But that's how expected value works. Math Made Simple is some math. Thanks for watching.